In an exciting development for electric vehicle enthusiasts, Mini is set to release the all-electric John Cooper Works, JCW E this fall. This new model promises to combine Mini's renowned go-kart driving dynamics with cutting-edge electric powertrain technology, marking a significant step forward for the brand. The JCW E will make its dynamic debut at the prestigious Goodwood Festival of Speed. Attendees will get an early glimpse of the vehicle as it tackles the famous hill climb, showcasing its performance credentials. The prototype will be presented with a unique red camouflage wrap, adorned with prints of iconic racetracks from around the world, paying homage to Mini's rich motorsport heritage. Additionally, the number 37 on the rear side window is a nod to the classic Mini Cooper S that triumphed at the 1964 Rally Monte Carlo. Underneath its distinctive bodywork, the JCW E is expected to feature an advanced electric powertrain. While specific details remain under wraps, Mini has hinted that the vehicle will offer significantly more power than the current Cooper SE's 215 horsepower. This suggests that the JCW E will deliver a thrilling driving experience, on par with its internal combustion engine, ICE, counterpart. The JCW E will share many styling cues with the ICE-powered John Cooper Works, including the aggressive bumper intakes, large rear spoiler, and wide diffuser. However, the electric model will adopt a slightly less aggressive aesthetic, setting it apart from its ICE siblings. Inside, the JCW E is expected to offer a similar high-performance feel, with a focus on driver engagement and sporty design elements. In terms of performance, the JCW E is anticipated to benefit from a sharper chassis setup, enhancing its handling characteristics and solidifying its status as a true hot hatch. This aligns with Mini's commitment to delivering a dynamic driving experience, even as the brand transitions to electric power. The arrival of the JCW E marks a significant milestone for Mini, as it simultaneously rolls out full-blown JCW models with both electric and ICE powertrains. This dual approach reflects the brand's strategy to cater to diverse customer preferences while moving towards a more sustainable future. Mini enthusiasts and potential buyers can look forward to the market debut of the JCW E later this year. With its blend of iconic design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, the electric JCW E is set to make a strong impression in the hot hatch segment.